Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make avocado oil. I'll start by cutting my avocado into two. I'll separate the seed from it, then scoop it into a tray. Avocado oil is very easy to make and also has several health benefits, especially for healthy hair growth. After scooping the avocado into my tray, I will mash it then with a fork. I will mash smoothly until it becomes a paste. Once it becomes very smooth, I'll be transferring it into my cooking pan. Then take to the heat and cook until it becomes golden brown. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more great videos like this. I'll be cooking it on a very low heat and I'll also be stirring it from time to time. Once it becomes golden brown, I will turn off the heat and allow it to cool down completely. Once it's cool, I'll be transferring it into my cheesecloth to squeeze out the oil from it. You can see that making avocado oil is so easy, and you might want to give it a try after watching this video. Please let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. After adding it to the cheesecloth, I'll be squeezing out the oil from it like this. You can see that the avocado oil has started coming out. I'll continue to squeeze it until I get all the oil out of it completely. Then transfer to an airtight container and begin to enjoy this healthy hair growth oil. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make copressed avocado oil. This means we are going to extract our oil from avocado without putting it in any form of heat. This method is very easy for you to extract your oil from your avocado, though it takes longer days. Here I have my avocado that I have already cut into two. I've separated the seed from it. I'll be scooping them into a tray and then be mashing them with a fork until it becomes smooth. Avocado oil has several health benefits, especially for thick and healthy hair. Please remember, to make avocado oil, you need ripe avocado so that you'll be able to mash it and get more oil from it. Here I'll be mashing my avocado with a fork until it becomes a paste. You can also decide to match yours with whatever you think is appropriate for you to match it, provided it is smooth and becomes a paste. Make sure to do it properly until there's no lumps found in it. After matching the avocado and it becomes very smooth, it is time for me to spread it out properly on the tray. I'll make sure they are well spread out so that it can dry easily and the process of getting my oil from it becomes very easy. After this, I'll keep it in an airy area for 4 days and not under the sun until it becomes dark. And I'll also be flipping them up daily. Once it becomes very dark and dried, I'll be bringing them together and it is time for me to squeeze out the oil from it. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you for watching. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. I'll then transfer it into a cheesecloth for me to squeeze out the oil from it. You can see that this is one of the easiest process of making avocado oil, though it takes longer days. And I know that after watching this video, you might want to give it a try, because now you know it is easy for you to make your avocado oil at home instead of spending much money buying from the market. Please let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. I'll squeeze the oil out of it like this until it comes out completely. Then we have our cold pressed avocado oil with several health benefits, especially for that healthy hair growth. If you found value in this video, kindly click on the like button and share with friends. After squeezing out the oil, here we have our avocado cold pressed oil that can be used for different purposes, especially for that healthy hair growth. Store in an airtight container and begin to enjoy this natural organic oil. I'll start by cutting my avocado into two. Separate the seed from it and scoop it into a tray. Then set aside. I know after watching this video, you will not want to throw your avocado seed and piece away again. Instead, you will use it for this healthy organic oil with several health benefits, especially for that healthy hair growth. After scooping the avocado oil from the shell, I will set aside. Then I will cut the peels and the seed into bits, because this is what we need to prepare this special and healthy oil. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And to my amazing returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for always coming back. After cutting the avocado peels and the seed into bits, I'll be transferring them into a blender for me to blend them smoothly. In blending your avocado seed and peels, you don't need to add water to it or to blend it just as it is. After blending and it becomes very smooth, I will transfer into a bowl. Here you can see the blended avocado seed and peels. I will transfer them to my bowl. After transferring them to my bowl, I'll be adding to it carrier oil. What I'm using for my carrier oil is coconut oil. If you want to learn how to make coconut oil, the link to that video is in the description of this video. You can also use any other carrier oil of your choice. I'll bring my water to a boil, then place the bowl on the boiling water and cook for about 40 minutes until the avocado seed and peels release its nutrient into the oil. Then I will turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely. After that, I will transfer it into my sieve and strain the oil from it completely. Transfer into your strainer. Allow the oil to come out on its own without adding any pressure to it. Now you see that it's so easy to make avocado oil from its seed and its peels. And I guess you might give it a try. Please let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. Here we have our avocado oil. It came out beautiful because the avocado seed and peels has released its nutrient into the oil. Please like and share this video with your friends. Store this natural and healthy oil in an airtight container and begin to enjoy all its healthy benefits. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.